What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stacy and I'm back today with another awesome video. Guys, in front of you I have two nice piece of beef ribs. I'm going to go ahead and season them to perfection and put them on the grill. This is going to be our Wednesday dinner. It's going to be yummy yummy in our tummy. This is one of the ways that I season my ribs. So if you want to see how I season my ribs, stick around, guys. Alright, so let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and hit my ribs with a honey herbs rub. But before I hit it with that, I'm going to hit it with some black pepper first. Let's go ahead and put on our base before we do anything. Oh, and by the way, my ribs is washed and clean. You wash it with some lemon or lime. Alright? Alright, let's go ahead and just rub this in. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some salt. Now, don't be scared to hit it with the salt, okay? Because beef needs salt. Alright? I don't want to hit it with too much salt now. Because honey and herbs rub that I'm going to put on it, it already have some salt in there. Alright? So this is what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and we're going to season both sections. And we want to season this to cover it, and then we're going to season this to perfection. Alright, let's give this a rub. Just want to press the season down into it, okay? And then we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Go ahead and give it a little bit more. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Flip it over, and we're gonna do the same thing. Now, on the back part of the ribs, it comes with some membrane. You wanna go ahead and take those membrane off because that's what makes your meat. Alright? Y'all should smell these herbs, guys. This herb smells amazing. Just let's rub it in. And also catch the side of your meat too. Yeah man, catch the side of the meat too. You want every piece to be involved, right? We're gonna go ahead and flip it back over. Add a little bit more. Add a little bit more. Because you want this to season to perfection. I'm going to say, catch your side. Don't leave the side out. The side would get jealous. We can't afford nobody getting jealous right now, okay? Alright. So we're going to go ahead and cover this and let it marinate. We want this to sweat so it can absorb all the natural herbs and season that we put on top of it. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this, and when it's time to go on the grill, we'll come back. Alright, so see you in a bit. Alright, now it's time to put our beef ribs on the grill. Look at it, guys. It is seasoned to perfection. Oh my god. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on the grill. Guys, we are trying to hurry up and get this done before the rain starts. It's been thundering and lightning, so it's about to come down. Alright guys, so I have flipped my ribs. I'm just gonna go ahead and baste it with this sauce that I have, my little secret sauce. I'm just gonna go ahead and just baste it. The same for this over here. Guys, I wish, like literally, I wish that the phone have like a smell detector in it, so you could smell what I'm smelling. Jesus. Alright guys, as you can all see too, I have some corn over here. Yes, I'm gonna pair all of this goodness with the corn. Alright guys, when it's time to come off, I'll show you the final look. I just wanted to come back and show you how it looked when I flipped it. Alright, so I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, here is the final look of my beef ribs. Guys, oh my god, y'all should smell what I'm smelling. I think the next invention they should come with is a smell thing through the phone. I'm telling you, this tastes amazing. It is seasoned to perfection. My mouth is running with water and I cannot wait to dig into this. Guys, I enjoy making this video for you. If you like this, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will definitely mean a lot to me for you to join the family. Until next time guys, bye!